Viewers, yesterday, Tigray Defense Force and Oromo Liberation Army jointly shared pictures and video clip from Kemise. I have already reported about this video clip, where some soldiers of Tigray Defense Force and Oromo Liberation Army were heading towards Atay. As per latest reports, intense fighting is underway between Ethiopian National Defense Force, allies, and Tigray Defense Force along with Oromo Liberation Army in the surrounding areas of Shiva Orbit. Tigray Defense Force backed news sources are claiming that Tigray Defense Force has taken control of Atay. After taking control of Atay, Tigray Defense Force reached the surrounding areas of Shiva Orbit. It means Tigray Defense Force soldiers are continuously advancing towards Addis Ababa, which is the main target of Tigray Defense Force and Oromo Liberation Army. Viewers, Ethiopian National Defense Force deploying more contingent around the cities and towns located on A2 highway. As per reports, large number of Ethiopian National Defense Force soldiers have reached Debre Birhan and Debre Sina. Whereas they are trying to stop Tigray Defense Force and Oromo Liberation Army movement towards Addis Ababa. Whereas the Ethiopian capital Addis Ababa is mobilizing its defense forces with appeals for civilians to take up arms as Tigrayan forces marching towards the city. In recent weeks, one city after another has fallen to the advancing Tigrayans. Nervous embassies and foreign nationals are making plans to depart. The United States Department ordered all its non-essential diplomats to leave. Yes, the fighting has not only consumed much of northern Ethiopia, it has seen Tigray encircled and cut off from the outside world. On the other hand, the United Nations says Ethiopian authorities have arrested and detained some 70 truck drivers contracted to the United Nations and other aid groups in the past week since the government declared a state of emergency amid the country's escalating war. Your government spokesman Legacy told the Associated Press the 16 United Nations staffers were detained because of participation in terror, unrelated to their work. Here's the government says it is detaining people suspected of supporting the Tigray forces. The new United Nations statement said the drivers detained are of different ethnicities. It was not clear whether such a large detention of drivers has occurred earlier in the war. Viewers, for more latest reports and updates, please subscribe my YouTube channel Thanks for your precious time.